Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to move your text from one Microsoft page to another. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in the web version of Microsoft Word. We are going to move some text from one section of this page to another page. So there are two ways. Of course, we know we can highlight text. So I've clicked 3 times and I'm going to Control C here, and this will copy this text. Now, if you use your Windows key and the V, then you'll see that this is your clipboard. Okay, so you can move that about, and here's everything that I have copied. So you can go ahead, if you want to paste the text, you can just click on it. Now, let's say I want to move it now to, this is page 1, I want to move it now to page 2. Okay, and let's say I want to just put it in over here. So let's go ahead and put it in over here. We're going to use Control V, or we can use that Windows key and V, and it'll bring this up. Let's go ahead and paste that in. So this is one way of doing this. Another way of doing this, in fact, is if we go up to our ribbon, look for Insert, look for Drawing. And here we can go to Text Box. Click on Text Box, and then click down in this canvas area and drag, and you'll have a text box. Now we can just paste our text inside this text box. And what it ultimately does is it takes this text and it actually makes it an object, but you can still actually edit the text itself, and I'll show you exactly how you do that. So you can change the way it actually looks over here. So you can change the shape of this, you can change the outline color, but for now we're just going to go and save and close. And now this is an actual text box, which is an object. Okay, so it acts as an object. So you can move it about. So let's say we want to move it now from this page. We're going to move it up, and we want to move it to this page, and we can put it just over here. And within a few seconds, I think it didn't drag properly. So within a few seconds, you'll be able to just pop it in over here. So let's go and select it, and then we're going to click down and drag it. And you'll see now that it will be on this page. So now we've moved it from page 2 back to page 1. And again, if you want to edit it, double click it, and you'll be able to edit the actual text within here.